All right, so when you open up and you go into Apex, okay, and you click on your first unit, this is what will show up. Okay, it gives you an overview. Not a big deal. Pretest. For the pretest, you have to email me or text me and tell me to open it. It doesn't stay open very long. It's a small window that it stays open. So you have to text me or email me and say, hey, I'm about to start. Can you unlock the pretest? All right? And I can do that. Depending on how you do on the pretest is how many assignments you'll have to do in the throughout the lessons. All right, so you want to do good on the pretest if possible, then you can skip some of the stuff in the lessons. Okay, lessons is easy. You just click there. Okay, gives you a review of what they're going to tell you in here. All right, just click by it. It's no big deal. All right, we go to the study thing. Okay, let's go here. All right, so first page, 1 of 17 down here. All right, when you work with numbers, it's helpful to know that tells you about stuff. Okay, what you basically want to do is click on the study guide right here. And you want to print it out. Okay, if you don't have a printer, all right, I guess you could probably do this. Copy and paste the whole thing. All right, click C, and then you can open up a Word doc. All right, that would be over here, and you can Control V, paste it on the Word doc, and then you could fill in stuff there. Decimal is blah blah blah. Okay, so you can fill it in there, and then you could take this back over here off my screen. I slid it over there. Okay, if you needed to see it, as you can see, I slid it over to the other side. So I've got two screens working. Okay, so I could fill out my Word doc at the same time that I'm filling out my paper over here. Okay, so you want to fill out that worksheet. All right, because as you go through this, it's going to give you information that you can put straight into the worksheet. For instance, if I go back to my worksheet, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, page 2, page 3 and 5. All right, so over here, it says page 3 and 5. Right up here, it's 3 and 5. So if you go back here, and you're looking for the answers for page 3 and 5, it would start here, 3, 4, and 5. So you'd use this information on pages 3, 4, and 5 to fill in your answer sheet over here, pages 3, 5, 5. Okay, and then as you see here, now we're starting to go to page 8 and 9. That would be pages 8 and 9 over here. 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's page 8 and page 9. That would give you the information for this right here. You'd have to go backtrack for 7 through 10. Okay, so basically the best thing to do, like I said, is to fill out your worksheet right here. Get it all the way filled out. Okay, get everything filled out. Okay, based off of the information from these. Okay, all the different pages from over here. Clicking through them, pages, it gives you a lot of information. So you get your worksheet filled out, all right? And then, as you see, sure, I'm ready to move on. Okay, then you're going to have a checkup. Okay, so this checkup activity gives you a chance to apply what you've just learned. So when you do the checkup, basically click on the checkup thing. It probably has questions or math problems you have to work out. Yeah, so you're going to work out some math problems using your notes that you just took. Okay, and then we'll move on from that. Continue. Reach the end of the sixth cavity. Are you ready to move on? Yes, I'm ready to move on. Okay, then you'll take a quiz. Okay, are you ready to start the quiz? Sure, start the quiz. Okay, so it's going to ask you the number 0.33 repeats forever, therefore it is irrational. All you have to do is go back here, okay, look at your definition that you wrote down for your irrational number, okay, and then you can answer true or false. All right, so that's all you have to do is just do the study notes over here, okay, go back and go through it, take the quizzes, and work your way through the program that way so that we can get you that credit and move on. All right, or those credits, 5 credits. Okay? All righty then. I gotta figure out how to close out of this thing. Up there.